Stan the Survival Man here with another survival tip. Hey, you know, sometimes in an emergency you need to cross bodies of water, whether it's a flood or river or you just need to go boating somewhere. Sometimes you need a good type of boat to get you somewhere that you can pack. A lot of inner tubes, you know, have limited capabilities. Rafts are kind of big and bulky. Well, here's something that's really cool. Kevlar made a 3-man, not 2, but a 3-man inflatable kayak that is packable. Check this out. So what you do is you can roll it up, and on these straps, and I'll show you a picture, these straps then bind everything up and make backpacker straps so that you can strap this over your back, and of course then you have some collapsible paddles, and you can pack this boat anywhere. And like I said, it's a 3-man so that it carries not only 3 people or 2 people or 1 people, but a lot of gear. And they're fast, they move quickly across the water. You can whitewater raft with them. You can go across lakes, streams, floods. If you need a small boat that you can pack anywhere, this is it. Let me show you what they're all about. All right, so here we are on the lake, testing out these boats. Got the gear in the back, 3 seats. Here's the other boat, kayaks. We're gonna go cruise around the lake, have some fun. So, when you're done boating, you come out here, and what do? Rappel off the cliffs. That's what we call fun. That was fun.